forget which way is the pull and the push.
What kind of a trick tool is that, Fred? What kind of a tricky tool is that?
It's a siphon.
With a hand pump?
Hand flip siphon hose.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. What the?
Hey, this is quality merchandise here in Vegas. When you buy one of them siphon jobs, it works great. What?
Except when the handle breaks.
You broke the you unscrewed the handle? Fred, what do you got there? Hey, hey. It's nice. That's precision. All you gotta do is buy one of them siphon hoses I have at work in my
Can
counter.
we just suck on the hose?
No, it has a siphon that you just go back and forth with the ball and
I know.
pumps it right out and it starts
I
flowing.
know,
They're
you
good.
got one of those. You're such a...
They work good. Got them on the counter to sell. Oh, I moved. It's not there no more, Fred. I used to have them on the counter down there.
Yeah, I used to have them on the...
Yeah, you go from one bike to another bike on a trip. They were great. They work good too.
Kind of like going like this, right?
Yeah, same thing. Yeah, just like that. You smile when you do that. Fred, it says oil on it.
Where's the cap?
Did you fix it yet?
No, you got to put that first.
Why?
Or it's not going to quite work.
It doesn't work anyway.
I'm sure Luke probably got one.
Is there some instructions on how to use that? Can we go online?
You do this with it, and it freaking sucks the...
It sucks, it sucks. Yes, it does suck. You got that right. It does suck. You know what really sucks? There's a smell coming off that fuel tank. It didn't look like it did much, did it?
No.
It
It appears this has never been used because it's all...
At least
nice
not very often.
So I think we're sucking from here. Switch them around.
Here, I don't like your end. I want my end. Look at the bottom of
It's
the
got
tank.
this quick release.
Tank only goes in that far. There's nothing in it, Fred.
I know I don't know what the hell's...
It's dry. Are these anti-siphon tanks?
There's a pretty good chance they probably are.
There. Oh yeah. Now we go. Now we're gonna suck some fuel now. That is some really nice clean fluid coming out of there, Fred. You happy?
Am I going the wrong way?
I'm thinking you're doing something wrong because it ain't working for squat.
Don't leave that in. Just switch the fucking hoses around.
It is in there. Don't go too far. It's gonna come back up on the other end.
Just stop it. Stop moving around.
I'm trying to feel the bottom. That's great, Fred.
Are you even in the fuel?
I don't know.
Doesn't appear to be much fuel in
It
there.
appears to be dry. Let's try this. Is there any fuel? There's no fuel in there, dear Fred.
No.
It appears that there's not a lot, just steak in there. He said that was full. I don't think there's any fuel in there.
Sure sounds like there's fuel in there.
Well, I went all the way around, snaked around about 15 times, and there's nothing in there.
And this thing doesn't.
And
Well,
that thing
Listen,
sucks.
It's you know.
If we had his little jerk off one, you've seen those where it has the ball in it.
Is that enough hose? I got like 2 feet in there. It's stuck in there.
You know if you have the right one? Save
Done
it.
it both ways. Stop. Stop. It's stuck there.
It's stuck.
Just leave it for now. Hang on. Let's see if we can get some fuel out.
Yeah, it's probably stuck on the fuel pump that you're jerking on right now too.
I'm jerking on something.
Put that in there for you. Well, let it come out.
Here, take this out, blow through it, and see if it bubbles.
Nothing. Nothing.
I hear airline. No, it's nothing.
Nothing. I think we're...
Up, up. There's liquid there somewhere.
I mean, I can tell. There's something, or
I'm at the bottom of the hole and it's not,
Nothing.
you can hear it.
Alright, I think if we just put gas on top, that would be.
It's just nothing there.
Let's try something else.
Someone has gas back in here, but there ain't enough to do anything.
What about getting this thing?
What thing?
Give me a Phillips head screwdriver. Let me have that hose actually. One of the hoses. Oh, that big 5-gallon can is full of something.
yeah, it's full of starter solid.
Which one you want, bud? Big or
It
small?
might be a Phillips. That might not work very well for us.
Well, one thing
Get
for
in down
sure.
here.
This O-ring needs some oil. This ain't gonna pump anything. That's oil.
Don't worry about it. Let's just hook the thing up.
I don't think there's anything in there.
I mean, enough was leaking, that was about all it did, so I think it's all that was in there.
Look, it's not even coming out wet. So, all right,
We're good.
let's go. We have to get rid of fuel.
Put fuel in it. Okay, clean your air cleaner up. I put the bolt in there.
Beautiful.
So we run it like that. I think it's pretty nasty. It's dirty as the air filter.
Yeah, it was. Huh. Yep.
Had a lot of blow by inside the air snout. Oh, we need a battery. Probably should blow the weeds out.
You could siphon it in instead of trying to dump it in.
Have to have a funnel.
So the state of California is starting to influence the state of Nevada.
Yep, can't buy exhaust in Nevada no more.
So what are they saying? They wouldn't let them California or sell to people that from California?
No, they wouldn't sell to you. Watch your eyeballs, Fred. You go, sir. Got a battery? Get some oil. You got a funnel? We need a funnel. Got a funnel? Where's the battery? Where's all the oil? Still out in the car? Take it out?
It's falling right behind you. Well, that might be the one.
Fred, see a battery anywhere?
I see one.
Battery.
I see the car still.
I didn't. You were supposed to bring it in. Did you bring anything out with
Yeah,
you?
battery's right here.
Where? Yeah, it's in the back of the car. That's where it's at. It's hard to get good help. Yeah, see?
I already thought of that. It's sitting right here.
It's not there no more? There was a couple bags and a battery somewhere. We're doing good. People can get sick of watching stuff. Alright, we're gonna look for a battery. We'll be back.
Turns out we do.
Good. Find the battery. It's over there next to that bike over there. I'd go that direction. You know, if you had that that strap that I gave back to the Loctite guy, we could use that to put the battery in. Why didn't you get the tool for that, Fred?
Oh, we got it in the car. Let's throw that in there. Let's throw that.
We'll get it.
What are you talking about?
The freaking lanyard. We can throw it in there and loop it in underneath it so it's easy to pick it back up.
Let's do it.
Yep. There you go.
You got a piece of rubber or something go down there, or foam or anything? Shouldn't be just laying them right in there. Even an old shitty piece of cardboard would help a little bit. But got some old rotten towels.
You're not going back this afternoon, are you?
No.
No,
It's all over.
it's over for him. He's busy. I don't know if that'll work. It's too short.
You know what I like using better? I like using these.
Is it
Put
funny?
these together on the top of it.
No, man, look.
What do we got to go in here?
No, that's not gonna work.
Just strap it once. Just go around like that. That's all you gotta do.
Zip ties work
Just
really
go
good.
around
Yeah,
once.
but this is gonna come loose. You can't use it. Not long enough.
Use the other half. Not long enough?
No, that's the problem.
That's why I didn't take it. It's worthless.
Yeah, maybe.
Zip ties work really good, guys.
Towel works too. Whatever you got. You got any kind of rubber, foam?
Damn it, Tatro, calm down. I'm thinking about it.
How about the linoleum sitting up there?
Look,
Some linoleum up there.
red square knot will always work.
Piece of junk cardboard.
Look. That's for
See that piece of cardboard right there? Go get me a piece of that.
Oh, look here.
Tear off a flap.
Look.
That's too hard. Just tear me off some cardboard. It's better than nothing. 2 layers of crappy cardboard, fold it in half, put it underneath the battery. What, Fred, you need a knife? Here. There you go. Don't you guys bring Harley tools with you? Just take the short flap. Where's your battery at? Okay. Put it on top of the battery and cut off the excess. Fold it in half. No, fold it in half. No, fold. Down. The other way. Down. There's a form tool right there. Now stick it around the other way. Fold. Fold. Keep going. Double check the width. Golden. Cut it down the side. You got a cutting mark right there. Jeez. Fabrication class 101. Look at that. It's like it was made for it. Could have made it bigger. Oh well. Too bad. Fit in there? Too wide? Too long? Does that fit the battery?
Yeah, you needed to cut some off the edge.
Put it on the battery.
Do what you're doing.
How much extra is there? Hey, I had one like that once. Perfect. Stuff in the hole. It's all right. 50-pound battery will make it go down.
Simmer down. We're almost there.
Almost? Almost gone home? You're dangerous.
Cutting towards myself.
So I do
This
it.
is supposed to be holding your fuse. So.
Oh. Good, keep coming. Tight fit, that won't move. That'd be great. Perfect. We paid a lot for that box too. Someone shipped it from San Diego to you, wasn't it? I wonder who that could have. Who would have done that? Yeah. All right, drop her in there. Here, Fred.
Takes 2 seconds to do this.
Yeah, I know.
Too late. You know how he is when he wants to.
How about these fucking things? When they
Did
come
you
in
read the
handy?
instruction sheet on how to do this, Fred?
Not yet.
Freddie, when these things come in handy, they come in real handy. See the length of these?
Yeah.
They're so
Oh, the
nice.
long ones, yeah.
Those are zip ties?
Yeah.
Big ass zip ties.
When you need it. it's
3-foot
like,
length
oh,
zip ties, we can do those.
fucking works.
There, you want that?
I want to say the.
Probably supposed to put on a bike or something stupid. Okay, this is a ground or a positive?
That's gonna be ground.
What's this?
I
What's
think
the
this is. I don't know what
that's
this
his
is.
LED.
Fred, what happened here?
These are going on
And don't
here.
forget to put this on. There's a ground you need. That needs to be grounded.
Now, do we keep this or just get rid of it? It's zip tied on anyway. What the hell is this?
Take it off.
It's more of a pain in the ass than it's useful. Okay, what do we got to go on here? What else is going over? Gotta be at least one wire.
What's here? Nice.
I wonder who he is.
That's
That's
hot
custom.
wire. Hot wire to something. Sorry, folks.
Is there a hot wire on the bike someplace? Or are everything's going off the cable? Separate wires?
Looks like that's about it. This looks like this needs to be grounded. I'm
Okay, you got a
guessing.
key?
On the key fob? On the battery for the
There we
key
go.
fob?
See how that ignition came on over there? See, Fred? Fred, lights, dash. See how it came on?
Oh, yeah.
That means it's hooked up. Okay. We don't need anything else. We're going drag. You got your bolt battery glue to put on here to help kill some of the conductivity between the two?
Put that one on. No, but put it on. This is obviously a negative. No, negative. Not negative.
Why
Negative.
you telling me to put it on then when I'm working the positive? Don't you know you're supposed to always do the positive first, Fred? You're ISASP CU certified, you know that?
SEMA certified.
No, that's a totally different.
ASE certified.
That doesn't look like a 10mm bolt to me, or wrench. Where's your metric tools at?
Hey, use that wrench we bought.
Oh!
Use our new wrench.
I got the fucking perfect thing for you.
It actually might fit in there. 10 mil.
Oh yeah, we can use the new tool again. Okay,
It's a good thing we didn't get metric.
I'm so sick.
Are we taking this off or not?
you look on your
What are you
face.
filming? What are you filming over there, Fred?
You look on his face when we're walking. Hey, you know that's metric. He's like, what? What are you talking about? And he's like, oh man, I just spent. Oh. And then we're like, yeah, we'll figure it out, man.
I have to admit, she was pretty clutch last night for us.
Yeah, definitely clutch.
Okay.
Definitely better than we expected.
Now you want this piece of crap over here?
I'm assuming, dude.
Who's dude?
I'm
Junior?
assuming, dude. I'm
Freddie?
assuming, dude.
Freddie Jr.?
Freddie.
Something blew up.
Hey,
What's
how
that
you
doing?
doing?
Whoa, look at all the spark. Whoa, what's all that arcing going on over there?
You got the key on? Why don't we turn the key off now?
I don't know, maybe this thing's blowing up over here. I'm not sure.
What's the giant booger they put on top? So maybe that's hot? No. It looks like it's black. It should be ground.
It wasn't sparking when I did that, so.
It's sparking right now. It's drawn back.
Just take quarters over your fridge. I think we need an actual wrench.
Use the wrench, the double-ended wrench.
Is that metric?
10.
10 metric wrenches in one?
Oh, look at there. I only had one key, that's the other one's in it.
Don't strip that, Fred. Where's this one go? Fred, wiring guy. Trace it.
Trace it.
Trace it. Not Tracy. Trace it.
You want to bet it goes up to these little LEDs right here.
Yeah, probably.
Because he said he added-
LEDs, all right.
He said he added some LEDs.
What's this thing?
Yeah, but
He talked
that.
about, I think this is a tuner, Tatro, of some sort.
Okay, so turn the key on. Put that on there, on the hot. Put the red on the hot. Turn the key on. Is the key on? I'll unlock it. Okay. Nope, that's not it. They're on already.
Go now.
Yep.
Doesn't work.
Who knows what he goes to?
What's it on?
Is it?
Didn't do anything.
You put a new battery in the key fob?
Yep. It's right here. I wonder what this button does.
No, it's just supposed. Oh, does it? Okay.
Now maybe try. Nobody's home.
Is it in neutral? Is that the problem? Is it in neutral?
Yes, it was a neutral.
Okay, I was just asking a question, man.
No headlight.
I'll stick this in there a little bit. Okay, I've got headlight.
Alright, now let's try to see if that. Oh, yeah. Wrong spot.
Drop to the first notch. First notch. First notch. That was juice.
Oh, my head.